Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a curious boy named Timmy. He always dreamt of visiting the moon. One night, he climbed into his homemade rocket ship, which he had built from cardboard boxes and tin foil.
In this video, I asked if you wanted a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a full-length animation story, and many of you did. Thank you for your comments. So, as promised, I'm going to show you how to do this cartoon animation with free AI tools in 7 easy steps, with some tips and tricks to really bring your animation to life. So, make sure you watch to the end. Step 1. Like this video and subscribe. Step 2. Create our story. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a child's story of about 200 words and tell it what you want it to be about. In this example, I asked it to write me a kid's story about visiting the moon and making a friend. Okay, that's looking great. Now, step 3. Create our image prompts. Once ChatGPT gave me the story, I then asked it to give me image ideas for each paragraph for a YouTube video. Once it gave me the image ideas, I took each image and asked ChatGPT to write an image prompt I could use in Mid-Journey. Here's a tip. If there are certain sections of the story that ChatGPT didn't generate an image idea for and you would like to have it in your animated story, don't worry. Copy the section of the story and paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to generate an image prompt for you. Like this, I got some great image prompts which then generated me some great images to use in my video. Step 4. Creating our images. Once we have our image prompts, we can go to any AI image generator to generate our images. You can go to Mid-Journey if you have a subscription with them, Blue Willow, or Leonardo AI. I recommend Leonardo AI as it's free, and it will give you the best results. Sign up to Leonardo AI and click on I'm whitelisted if you don't already have an account. Once signed in, click on AI Image Generation. Make sure the number of images selected is 4, and the image aspect ratio is 16:9, as that is the ratio for YouTube videos, and 3D animation style is selected. Leonardo AI gives you 150 credits to use every 4 to 5 hours. Copy and paste each image prompt that was generated by ChatGPT into Leonardo AI. Another tip, use the following words: hyper-realistic, 8K, Ultra HD, Pixar style, Disney style, Cinema 4D, AR, 3.2, as this will give you better quality images and give you Disney Pixar style pictures. Like this. Choose an image from each generated prompt you would like to use in your animated story. Upscale it to give you a sharper image, and download it. Do this for each prompt until you have all your images generated. Step 5. Our voiceover. Now we need a voiceover to narrate the story. You can use any AI voiceover software. I'm going to use 11 Labs. Copy and paste your story from ChatGPT into here. Select a voice that best suits the story style and click on Generate, and then click on Download to download it. Step 6. Creating our animation. Now, it's time to bring our images to life. The AI tool we are going to use is Runway ML Gen 2. Sign up to Runway ML and click on Gen 2. This will animate any image. Upload your image and don't type anything, just click on Generate. And as you can see, our image has now become a 4-second video. Do this for all your images. If you want to extend a certain scene, here's a trick. The best way I found is to go to the last second of the scene and take a screenshot of it and then upload the image to Runway ML to generate a video, and this will extend the scene and not use up too many of your allocated seconds. Once we have all our images generated into video, we can head off to our final step. Step 7. Editing. To edit your video, you can use any video editing software. I'm going to use CapCut as it's a great free online video editor. Go to CapCut.com and open the online video editor. Import all your video scenes and voiceover into here, and then drag it on your timeline to edit it. Start putting your scenes in order. Once finished, you can export it. But if you want your video to look great, add transitions in between scenes. Put in effects to improve the impact of the video. Add sound effects. CapCut has its own collection, and even add some background music. You can download royalty-free sound effects and music from Pixabay or Upbeats. You can also add captions by clicking on text and auto captions. This will automatically create auto captions for you. Once fully finished, export your video, and here's the final result.
Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a curious boy named Timmy. He always dreamt of visiting the moon. One night, he climbed into his homemade rocket ship, which he had built from cardboard boxes and tin foil. With a big leap, he blasted off into the starry night sky. As Timmy's rocket soared higher and higher, he felt both excited and a little scared. But when he finally landed on the moon, he saw something amazing, a friendly moon creature named Luna. Luna had shiny silver skin, sparkly eyes, and a cheerful smile. Timmy and Luna played games like moon hopscotch and crater hide-and-seek. They laughed and had so much fun together. Timmy even taught Luna how to draw with moon dust. As the sun began to set on the moon, Timmy realized it was time to go home. He said goodbye to his new friend, promising to return one day. Luna gave him a small moon rock as a gift to remember their special day. Timmy's rocket safely brought him back to Earth, where he shared his incredible adventure with his friends and family. From that day on, Timmy knew that even the sky wasn't the limit for making new friends and exploring new worlds, and he couldn't wait for his next out-of-this-world adventure.